Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a TD Ameritrade account. First, you will choose the account type that best suits your financial goals. Whether you are saving for retirement, a child's education, or simply investing for yourself, there are several options. You can open an individual, joint, or various retirement accounts. Many standard brokerage accounts require $0 to open, making it accessible for new investors. Carefully consider your investment horizon and tax situation when making your selection. Next, you will complete the online application, which is designed to be straightforward and efficient. You will need to provide essential personal information, including your Social Security number or taxpayer identification number, and details about your employment. Be prepared to answer questions about your financial background and investment experience. The entire process usually takes about 15 minutes to complete. Always double-check all the information you have entered before submitting to ensure accuracy and avoid delays. Once your application is approved, the next step is to fund your new account. There are several convenient ways to do this. Many clients choose an electronic transfer, or ETC, directly from their bank account, which is often free. You can also initiate a wire transfer for larger amounts or faster processing. Additionally, depositing a check, either by mail or using a mobile deposit feature, is an option. Funds usually become available for trading within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the method chosen. With your account funded, you are now ready to explore the platform and begin investing. Take time to familiarize yourself with the available tools, research, and educational resources. You will find a vast selection of investment products, from individual stocks and bonds to mutual funds and options. Many platforms offer over 100 commission-free exchange-traded funds, providing diverse investment opportunities. Start by placing your first trade and confidently manage your portfolio, leveraging the robust features at your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.